Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding tuple. So in the previous video, this is a continuation of the previous video only. So in the previous video, if you notice, means we would have given explanation about list. It will be explained within square brackets, but in this case we have explained about tuples. It will be explained in normal brackets. So this is what we are using for explaining the tuple. So for that, the name we are using as my tuple, and we are printing its length. Since it is having nearly 3 elements, the length of the element, it will be displayed like 3. Then we are accessing the tuple elements. For that, we are getting the 1. Previously in list, if you notice, means it will be counted like 0 1 2 3, but in this case it will like the same as previous only 0 1 2 3. So my tuple of 1, if you give, means you will get the output as 2. And then if you want to, but in previous case, that is in list, if you want to change the element of the tuple, previously this 1 it is 2, means if you have to get, if you change as 10, means it will change, but the list, it is not possible. That is what it is given. It is similar to list, but it is immutable. That is, it cannot, we can't make any changes. Once it is defined, it will be same as in the end. So the while we are making the this we are trying to change any values in this tuple, means we will get result in this error. That is, already it is given the same only. It will just make into the create an type error. That is only created here. And also while appending, that is while adding new element also, we will get the same error, which is attribute error. That is, tuple does not support. So it does not support adding of elements or changing of elements. So it, that is, once you have created a tuple, you can't change it as we are doing in list. So this is the difference between list and tuple. Now we can, in the next video, we can just see an demo for dictionaries.